Once, in a small village, there lived a boy named Arjun. He loved listening to stories from travelers who spoke English. Their words sounded like music to him, smooth, powerful, and full of dreams. But whenever he tried to speak, his tongue froze. His classmates laughed, saying, "English isn't for people like us." Arjun didn't argue. Instead, he listened. Every morning, he woke up early, sat under a tree, and repeated English words he heard from an old radio. "Good morning. How are you? Believe in yourself." The birds became his audience. One day, a teacher from the city visited his school. She asked the class, "Who wants to introduce our village in English?" Everyone stayed silent. Arjun felt his heart beating fast. Then he remembered his tree, his radio, his practice. He stood up and began to speak. His voice trembled at first, but as he spoke about his village, the river, the fields, the smiles, his confidence grew. The teacher listened with shining eyes. When he finished, the class clapped. For the first time, Arjun smiled not because he was perfect, but because he tried. Years later, Arjun became a guide for foreign visitors. He spoke English every day, sharing stories of his homeland with pride. People often asked, "How did you learn such good English?" He would smile and say, "With silence, patience, and belief." Remember, learning English or anything isn't about being born talented. It's about being brave enough to start, even if your voice shakes. So, speak. Make mistakes. Learn, repeat. One day, your silence will turn into strength, and your voice will inspire others.